All right, boys and girls. So we're going to talk about absolute values. So up on the screen right now, you're going to see the absolute value of -4. Remember, absolute value are those two lines to the left and the right. So absolute value, I want you to remember AVP. So AVP, you probably heard of the movie Alien versus Predator, and what that's going to stand for is absolute values are positive. They're always positive because remember, we know absolute values are actually a measure of distance. So absolute value is a measure of distance from 0. So what is the absolute value of -4? It would just simply be a 4. If we go to the absolute value of a positive 4 remains just a 4. It's always going to be positive. Moving on, we have now 12 minus 4 inside the absolute value. So 12 minus 4 is 8, and we keep our absolute value signs. Then the absolute value of 8 is just 8. For the next one, we have 13 minus the absolute value of 19 plus 9. So for this one, I'm going to write 13 minus 19 plus 9. I'm going to simplify that into 28. Then I know the absolute value of a positive 28 is just 28. And finally, 13 minus 28. So you want to think of this as, I have $13, you owe me 28. So you're going to give me what you have, and you're still going to owe me 15. And if you owe me 15, it's a -15. For the last one, so we have absolute value of -22 minus the absolute value of 2 minus 8. So the absolute value of -22 is just a positive 22 minus 2 minus 8 is -6. Then we will say 22 minus the absolute value of -6 is just 6. Next thing we will do, 22 minus 6 is 16. So our answer to that one would be 16. And that is absolute value in a nutshell. If you got questions, make sure you see me or you can ask one of your fellow students. Well, see you later. Bye.